Next, we want it to work with cartons. And so we know, let's go look what we're going to need to have for it to work with cartons. Remember that we're using now one of our own classes, and we see that we're going to need that greater than sign, right? Because it's actually comparing to, and if we send a carton array, it'll be comparing two arrays. Well, remember that we've already written this in another activity. So I'm going to copy it from that other activity and go into carton.h and paste the declaration, and then find it the carton.cpp and paste it in the carton.cpp file. And there. So what I've done is just copy pasted from our previous activity that overloaded greater than operator, right? Both the declaration and the implementation. And then in main, here we have an array of cartons already defined for us. And we have a size of how big it is. And then it's printed out. So let's go ahead and do this max present. Max present equals, and we're going to call MaxInArray. We're going to send an array of cartons, and we're going to send it the size, which is present size, and then we'll see if it works. And there it says that the maximum is this carton with length 22, 12, and 14. Let's see, do we think there's anything bigger than that? 22 is the longest. Here's one with 16 and 12 and 13. Nope, so that won't be bigger. So look, it found the max for it. And again, we can move this around and put it at the very beginning. And see if it can still find it. And there, sure enough, it found it there. We can move it to the end. We've already tried a middle. And so now we can do it at the end. And we just want to make sure it can find it no matter where the value falls in the array. We want to be able to always find the maximum. And there we did it. So now what we've done is we've created one function that looks through an array and returns the maximum value. That works with a variety of types. And in our case, the compiler has actually used this pattern to write three functions. One that works with integers, one that works with doubles, and one that works with cartons. And it can write more if we want to keep using it.